Hello, hello, hello. Robis is in Tagum City, part of Davao del Norte here in the Philippines, and today we feel like eating some burger, and here is where we found our burger.
Big Joe, yung laman niya.
Amazing bacon is the best seller, is it?
Yeah, yes sir. One of our best sellers.
Okay.
Amazing Bacon po has especially our bacon. Our patty was beef. Then
okay.
yes, it's 120 grams.
Okay.
Yes sir. Then a fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and white cheese with mushrooms.
Oh, okay.
So we ordered two types of burger. One is the Honolulu and another one is the Amazing Bacon, which is the best seller. And immediately I noticed that there are some char grills on the bun. So we ordered the best seller, which is the Amazing Bacon. And here it is. This is the Amazing Bacon. You can see from the cross section you have that 120 grams of beef patty. And then on top of it is the bacon. You have some gherkins, you have some onions, and you have the lettuce at the bottom, and their own signature special white sauce. So I'm gonna have the first bite on their bestseller, the Amazing Bacon.
Oh, nice and crunchy. Huh?
Hang on. Did I say it was crunchy? Yes, I did. And I'm going to tell you why I said it is crunchy. And this is the reason why there's a layer of crunch is because both the beef patty and the special bun are roasted over flaming charcoal. And from there it's just a matter of assembling the burger. You have your lettuce, your tomato, then you put in your white sauce, and from the grill directly onto the bun, beef patty roasted, and also you put in some mushroom. Okay, don't forget your onion rings.
This one's the
Ooh, if you're feeling for some salad, they make one great fresh Mediterranean salad. And if you're a spaghetti lover, try out their spaghetti beef burgers.
creamy. And they make their own beef balls.
So check them out, guys. I promise you will not be disappointed.